Hello guys, and we are here to tell you our 2012 fireworks! Are you ready? Here they are. Our first up on the list is our family fun pack. We have smoke bombs, party poppers again. Don't know what oh, it's a dragon tank, poppets, this magnum pistol popper, party poppers, and black cat snappets. Oh, and booby traps. Up next we have Breakout. It is I think a 16-shot fountain. So, yep. Okay. And next we have our handy dandy split wing missile, which I cannot get to stand up. Alright. Here's our split wing missile. Yep. Shoots up, then explodes, I guess. Yeah. We have our mega pack of smoke bombs. Everybody know what smoke bombs do. And next we have flashing signal. Basically, what flashing signal is, it's like kind of like strobe lights in the night. But, yeah. We have another split wing missile. Yep. Another pack, flashing signal. And then we have Garden and Spring, which is a huge fountain. It lasts about, I don't know, 10 seconds or something like that. So yeah, then we have our 16-shot parachute night, which it shoots 16 parachutes and then they explode and then the little guys come down. Next, we have, two more flashers again. And then, oh, gee, we have another pack of flashers, which that equals up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. And next, we have, over on set 2, we have a 10-pack Shanghai Roman candles. Next, we have another pair of Roman candles. Then we move on to our pure fantasy fountain. It is a big fountain that lasts about 30 seconds, and it is a 6-shot fountain. Next, we have our black cat fireworks. Everybody has to love black cats, right? Black cat firecrackers. You know, you light them and they go. Black cats, there we go. And then we have our, forgot what the name of these are, but they're some type of fountain and they each do something different. Oh, Vegas Ace. Oh, that's it. Okay, Vegas Ace fountain. I don't know what the heck they do, but next, Migraine fountain. It spins and then it blows up in the end and it gives you a migraine headache, I guess. Next, we have our, man, this is heavy, tropical fish fountain. I think it's a 6-shot 1.4 G consumer fireworks, and it's a giant fountain. Don't know how long it lasts, but you know. Next we have is that all? 4 packs Zaps. They're kind of like ground blossoms, but they spin and blow up, I guess. And then, last but not least, eyeballs! I know it says Googles, but, you know, it's same thing, really. Alright, and that's And that's it for set 2, and this is all of our 2012 fireworks. See ya.